So when all, Wrecker Eve here, I have 3 Abus locks for you. Technically I have 4, but I've already unlocked that one for you guys, which is this logout tagout lock, or the safety lock that I already opened for you guys, the 7240. This is the 5540, the 5550, and the 5560. Now all these can be opened by Wave Rake, but I want to show you my ergo combs. So, what Covert Instruments have done, which I thank them for, is that each one is laser engraved with what it can open. So, we will be using the 5-pin comb to be picking the 550 and the 560 with this one. The 540 doesn't have one actually on here, I don't think. So that one you might have to pick the old-fashioned way, but let me just show you this right here. You just slide this in, push up, and it's out. And then the 560, 5560 I should say, push up, and you are in. It's just as easy as turning a key. And with this one, you can probably just wave rake or even zip rake or zip pick, if I remember correctly. So let's actually try that. 40 can fit in there, right? Yep. Let's see if I can zip this. I think I remember doing this at some point. It's getting stuck on a lot of things. Abus is no easy master lock, unfortunately, so it is a little bit more difficult. All right, let's see what we're getting stuck on. I think counter rotation there. Yep, this has security pins in it. So a lot better security than a master lock. So you can single pin pick it and somewhat wave rake it, but you have to hybrid pick this, meaning that you have 2 different techniques, or you could just single pin pick it. So the Abus 5540 is a good pick to get into. Anyway, that was the Abus series that I have so far. Thank you all for watching. This is Wrecker Eve telling you to have a good day and a good night.